Hello, in this short video we'll walk you through creating a free Appspace account. This simple process begins at www.appspace.com, where you'll see the Sign Up Now option. Once you've filled out all the requested information, after a quick validation to make sure you're not a robot, an activation email will be sent to the email you provided. Of course, you have immediate access to your Appspace account, but please remember to use the activation email within 72 hours. Otherwise, your account may be suspended. That's it. You're ready to use your Omni free account. You can see your subscription details from the dashboard at any time. For more tutorial videos, please head over to our self-paced training site at www.appspace.com/tutorials. Thanks for watching.